Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash in Minecraft. First, understand that a stash is crucial for safeguarding your valuable items from both other players and environmental dangers. Before building, consider its purpose. Is it for quick, temporary storage or a long-term, highly secure vault? Selecting an inconspicuous location, perhaps deep underground or in a remote area, is your first and most important step towards effective concealment. For basic protection, a simple hidden chest works wonders. You can dig a small, 1x1 hole, place a chest, and then cover it with a common block like dirt or stone. Another easy method involves placing a chest behind a painting or cleverly integrating it into a wall. For ultimate portability, store your valuables in a shulker box. These can be easily carried and hidden almost anywhere. To elevate your stash security, consider advanced designs. Construct a hidden room accessible only by a secret piston door, activated by a cleverly placed lever or button. Harness the power of redstone to build intricate mechanisms that reveal your storage area only to you. Alternatively, blend your stash seamlessly into natural terrain features, making it virtually indistinguishable from its surroundings. Maintaining your stash's security is key. Always remember its exact location and any specific activation sequences to ensure you can always retrieve your items. On multiplayer servers, regularly check your stash for any signs of damage or exposure. Finally, vary your stash locations and the methods you use to hide them. This prevents other players from discovering predictable patterns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.